Today in the over-the-wire Bandit level 19 we will see how to use a binary to execute commands as another user. Let's access the documents directory. Let's edit the bandits.md file. Let's go to the end and copy the bandit19 password. And let's exit. Clear the screen. Let's use ssh bandit19 at bandit.labs.overthewire.org -p 2220 and let's enter. Paste the password and enter again. Now that we're inside, let's use ls. And like you can see, here we have a bandit20 do binary. To check it, let's use the file command and specify the bandit20 do file. And yeah, it's an executable file. Let's see what it does. Let's use / and the bandit20 do file. And like you can see, it says that it runs a command as another user. Example, bandit20 do who am I. So let's try it. / bandit20 do and who am I. And it seems like we are operating as the bandit20. So let's try to print the bandit20 password using the bandit20 do binary. Let's use / bandit20 do and then let's use cat /etc/bandit_pass/bandit20 and let's enter. And here is our password. Just select it, right click and copy. Let's exit the remote machine. Now that we have the screen clear, let's save the new password. Let's use vim bandits.md. Let's go to the end and add the new user, bandit20, and paste the password. Then save and quit. If the video was interesting, consider a like, maybe a comment or a follow. See ya!